right, Chief.
Well, hey there, friend. You picked a dangerous time to be visiting Rykan V. Old Percival has shut down the spaceport until he gets his paws on the Lombax secret. Well, I'll be. Son, this here is part of a highly classified weapon schematic. Tell you what, you bring me the full holoplan and I'll build you the weapon. Provided you let me keep the plans, of course. Wow. Looks like this series was discontinued by Gadgetron for being too dangerous. I'm beginning to like this weapon already. Sorry, son. I need the full holoplan. Afraid not, Hoss. Suppose you can thank the Drophids for scaring them all away. But if you ever find yourself on Sargasso, I may have some work for you. Well, I suppose you could use this here gyrocycle. Of course, a businessman such as myself couldn't part with it without some sort of monetary compensation. Now, careful with this thing. The Lombax I bought it from modified it with a Terra thruster. Oh, Lombaxes can't leave nothing the way it is, eh? Oh, back so soon? I'm afraid I don't have any work for you, friend. Oh, some old pilot I met way out in the Vorox Nebula years ago. The Emperor had shot his ship down after attacking Fastoon, and hey, come to think of it, you look a bit like him. Oh, it's a small universe, ain't it? Well, tell you what, Hoss, why don't you take this here synthenoid free of charge? I already have one pest hovering over my shoulder.
New armor just in from Jacindu. Virtue engineered, machine washable. Good luck, sir. Try not to die in the lava pit.
Use it wisely. Another satisfied customer. The devices.
Son, why are you wasting my time? An omnidirectional transmogrification conductor. Now, you don't use one of those unless you're looking to manipulate dark matter. Son, what did you stumble across?
Attention, citizen. You have unlawfully entered the Rykan V lava refinery. Alerting Drawfit Detention Squad.
Rolling through hypergates will give you an instant speed burst.
Alert the Emperor! The Lombax is entering the lava refineries using a modified gyrocycle. Move in fast and shoot on sight!
Ratchet, the coordinates point to one of the rock islands in Sector 4. There's a strange heat signature coming from there. Way too cool to be sitting in the middle of a lava pit. I can't believe it. The Lombax secret is real. I'll see you there.